Okay, guys, this story makes my blood boil. Imagine doing everything you're supposed to do, following the court's orders, jumping through every hoop, walking miles across town to prove that you're trying to get your life back on track, only to be turned away because your clothes aren't nice enough for the judge. That's exactly what happened to one man in Nevada. He walked 2 miles from a shelter to get his drug test done, and then walked even farther to make it to the court, on time, sober, and ready to take responsibility. But instead of being heard, he was sent away because he was wearing a t-shirt, shorts, and bad shoes. Seriously? This is a man who is unhoused with no money for rent, let alone dress clothes. He does everything he's supposed to do twice because the judge made him walk all the way back and forth again. And he's still treated like he doesn't deserve justice because he can't afford good shoes. This is the reality of our legal system, guys. It's not just about laws. It's also about power, privilege, and whether or not you look the part. This matters. A new bill in Nevada, Assembly Bill 320, would prevent judges from denying people their day in court just because they don't have professional clothes. The fact that this even needs to be a law tells you everything you need to know about how broken this system is. Judges claim this is about decorum and respect for the court, but I think that respect for the court should be more about justice than what people are wearing. Because let's be real here, who do dress codes actually punish? Not wealthy defendants who can afford a suit, not politicians or CEOs with entire wardrobes full of court-appropriate outfits. This targets the poor, the unhoused, the people who are already struggling to survive. And let's not forget, local governments in Nevada have been passing laws that criminalize homelessness too. They're making it illegal to sleep outside, illegal to exist in public spaces, illegal to be poor. And now when these same people are forced into the court system because they have no other choice, they're also being denied access to justice because they don't meet some stupid dress code. This is beyond cruel. This is persecution. Some judges are fighting back against AB 320, claiming that it's an overreach and that courts should be able to make their own rules. One lawmaker even suggested that maybe the solution is just more donation programs to hand out courtroom-appropriate clothing. As if the answer to systemic injustice is just making poor people show up extra early so they can dig through a pile of donated suits and hopefully find something that fits, instead of just letting them show up in what they have. And so what's next? Are we going to start turning people away from hospitals because they didn't wear the right shoes? Refuse emergency food assistance because someone showed up in ripped jeans? This seems absurd to me, and it's not just happening in Nevada. This happens all over the country. So if this makes you as mad as it makes me, don't just sit with that anger. I want you to use it. Find out if your local courts have dress codes that could turn people away. Call your state lawmakers and tell them that you support laws that ensure everyone gets their day in court, no matter what they're wearing. Support local advocacy groups, and if you can, support local clothing banks that can help these people obtain fair court access. And if you ever see this happening in your community, don't stay silent. The people who enforce terrible rules like this count on these injustices going unnoticed. But when people speak up, things can change. And at the end of the day, justice should not be a privilege reserved for the well-dressed. If you agree, just drop a quick yes in the comments so I know we're on the same page here. And I'm very interested to know if you or anyone you know has ever faced discrimination in court because of clothing. That feels deeply unfair, and I'm interested in hearing your stories. And of course, as always, you can check out our other videos for more ways to save money and get free stuff. I'll see you there.